Hello and welcome to muazo.co.uk. My name's Nitin, the founder of Muazo, and today we're taking a closer look at v76 by Vaughn, or precisely the v76 by Vaughn texture clay. Now, I've just finished styling my hair and I'm just running my hands through it, super control. I mean, I'm loving it. The whole idea of this video and this product and the emphasis that I'm making on it today is allowing your hair to kind of rest. When you're styling your hair, over styling, extreme styling, trying to keep your hair going, trying to have a continuous style throughout the weeks, the months, whatever, eventually your hair will get tired, your hair will be sore, you'll find that your the constant styling is actually pulling hair out, and you'll be causing yourself to get some kind of like bald patches or some hair erosion. Now, so what I like to do to avoid that is kind of work with my hair, and I've mentioned this before. So I like using products that are a bit more relaxed, concentrate on texture and hold, or natural hold rather than extreme hold, tight hold, or a forced hold. And this is where something like v76 by Vaughn's texture clay comes into play, where it allows you to kind of have more of a relaxed look, a textured look, a matte look, or even a slightly shine look. But the whole idea is that, look, it's just relaxed, but it's held. The hair is nourished, the root is nourished, the head is nourished. There is no extreme styling going on. Just take it easy on your hair now and again. So I've recorded a quick tutorial on how I styled my hair today. There we go. Let me know what you think. Take a look, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Just keep in touch. Do something. Hit that button. Let me know what you think. Now over to the tutorial. My hair's washed. It's a bit wet. I'm just going to dry it into a style, okay? It's quite long. Let's see how it goes. Cool to medium. See how this looks. Okie doke. I'm happy with that. That's still a bit damp. It's the best way to apply something or a product when your hair is just that little bit damp. If your hair's coarse like mine, it will prevent the product from catching on your hair and ripping it out. So let's just focus on keeping hair on your head, or on our heads, rather than away. So my hair naturally grows this way. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to work with my hair today. So I'm going to take it back and take it to the side. Now, obviously that might change while I'm styling, but that's how I feel when I play with my hair today. I'm using a product that's going to be a bit more relaxed in its nature, not extremely strong. I'm not forcing my hair to be a particular way and stay that way for the entire day without moving. This is not going to be a super hard hold. What I am looking for though is a product, or this product, to perform, or to give you an example of how it performs when we're looking for some hold and a lot of pliability. So working with the hair, providing texture, giving it a slightly matte finish, and just giving it some control. So not necessarily forcing it to go in any particular direction, just giving it some guidance. So like I said, I've blow dried my hair. I've put it in roughly where I want it to be or how I want it to look, and then I'm going to apply the V76 by Vaughn texture clay. So you can see that. Focus. Still not focusing. Let's see. It's always quite tricky. Whitish. And yeah, here we go. V76 by Vaughn. Let's give it a go. It's not particularly matte. So it's not hard. It's quite soft. Your finger can just go in there. It's got a nice scent. I think this scent is known as blue cedar, and it is really nice. It's not overpowering at all. It's quite it's really pleasant, and it's soft. It's a little bit sweet, but at the same time it's a bit more like cedarish, like wood, and it's really nice. I actually like this. I think it's subtle. I don't think it's overpowering. I don't think it's gonna mix or mingle or ruin any cologne that you'll be adding or that you're wearing. So okay, we're playing with this for a bit. Just taking a lump, slightest amount. Check that out. Yeah, a little bit more. I'm gonna add some more as I go, and warm it up in the hands. Warm it up. Get it between the fingers. It does go on white and then it gets a little bit clear as it kind of, yeah, oh, there it is. There's the tack, and get it in there. Ooh, I can already feel it. I can already feel it kind of taking hold. Oh, that's annoying. There you go. Let's see on the large mirror how that looks. Ooh, I like that. Super pleased with how that's turned out and how quickly. Check that out. That was so easy. That just went on like a cream. Great things about this product. Let's see. It's got I think it's pronounced bentonite clay, and what that clay does, it conditions and moisturizes the hair, and at the same time it absorbs any excess oils. So my hair's obviously been washed, so that those excess oils you could say have already kind of been removed, so it's not absorbing and becoming like super matte, but what it is doing is working with my hair, and it's still allowing the pliability, and I'm sure within about 10, 15, 20 minutes, as soon as the more of the water has evaporated, that my waves will start to show themselves, but with a bit more control. And yeah, I like that. So bentonite clay moisturizes, absorbs excess oils, conditions the hair, really good, really light, doesn't crack, doesn't flake. Let's see, it's got beeswax. Beeswax in it to obviously allow that clay to kind of maneuver around the hair, so they've added that so it makes it more pliable, makes the product more pliable, but at the same time traps moisture. So even though my hair is wet, some of the water will obviously evaporate and escape and dry out. However, the beeswax will ensure that the hair locks some moisture in, and giving the hair some that kind of like natural shine, natural glow, giving it some pliability, and just providing some nourishment rather than allowing it to dehydrate, which is quite you know, it's a common issue when you are styling your hair. You style it in the morning and you get to work. When you're at work, you work, you know, you're in an AC environment, and your hair, your skin, your body's just constantly being dehydrated, and you'll find throughout the day that your hair just feels dry. By the time you get home, your hair doesn't feel good, and that is because your hair is just naturally losing its moisture, but that's been expedited because the environment in which you are working in or spending most of your time in, even if you're at home and the heating's on, especially this time of the year, you'll find yourself, your hair's dry, your skin's dry, and a product like this will lock it all in. That said, I mean, what more is there to say? This is V76 Texture Clay by Vaughn, and this guy, if you know anything about him, he is Mr. Vaughn, or Vaughn is the stylist to the stars in Hollywood, the music industry, everywhere. He's been around for a while. He's been styling hair for longer than I can remember. Well, the whole idea of 76, it refers to when he first picked up some scissors, and I believe he cut his brother's hair. So he's been doing this a while. He's obviously very passionate, knows what he's talking about, and he's produced this product. And it's just one of many that I'm really enjoying using at the moment. So check it out. This is V76 by Vaughn. Let's just get rid of this rogue hair, and let me know what you think. As usual, leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, you know, show your support, leave your comments. I'm always happy to respond, and let me know what you think about this video. And yeah, what else is there? Follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram, all that kind of wonderful stuff. Give us a thumbs up, a thumbs down, just do something. Come on, interact with us. Tell us how you feel, how you think, what you want to see, and I'll see you again. Have a wonderful time, or a wonderful week, or a wonderful thing, whatever you're doing. I'll speak to you later. Bye-bye.